Morning, folks. Jeff from RvDiagnostics. We're doing a little bit of a high back system here, front diesel pusher, heater core, and evaporator. What I found out, all I had was this wide stuff. All right, this is precision foam tape. It's actually got a better rating and all than some of the other junk that's out there. I don't even know if they're in business, because I buy like 8 boxes at a time. It's the last box. So it was too wide, all right? I don't need it that wide. So what I did was cut it in half. Let me put it on pause and I'll show you. I'm gonna put it under here, take this razor blade and cut it. All right, so it was quick. I just cut it like that, used the edge of this, and now I have the width that I need. No sense going out and buying a bunch of stuff. Just a quick little help, like I showed you on the exhaust pipe 5-inch, how to cut it without a special cutter. Thank you very much, Jeff from RvDiagnostics. The motto, test not guess.